At the rim of China's largest desert Tokhlamakan, the remote Lop Nur area used to be barren and lifeless. Thanks to the application of totally water-soluble potassium fertilizer, the area shows vitality. A production line of the fertilizer, fulfilling modern agricultural irrigation demands, has been put into test run at Lop Nur, a dried lake located in northwest China and known as the Sea of Death for its high salt content.
Where I am standing right now is a center pin at Lop Nur in Ruoqiang County, northwest China's Xinjiang Autonomous Region. There are extremely rich mineral resources beneath the water surface.
Potassium is a main element for crop growth. Traditional potash products were not suitable for drip irrigation due to their coarse particles. The new water-soluble fertilizer is easier to be absorbed by the soil. A research and development group from the SDIC Xinjiang Luobupo Potash Company Limited, the developer of the fertilizer production line, visited local farmers to learn about their needs and constructed a plant with an annual output of 1.5 million tons of potassium sulfate and 100,000 tons of potassium sulfate magnesium fertilizers.
The SDIC Xinjiang Luobupo Potash Company Limited has exploited local potash resources since 2000. It's the world's largest production base of potassium sulfate.
我们现在是世界上单体最大的硫酸钾生产企业，年产硫酸钾160万吨。
By September 2021, more than 18 million tons of potassium fertilizer were transported out of Lop Nur, accounting for about 45% of the domestic market share. The enterprise has achieved 71 patents in the research of salt lake potassium resources and other elements in Lop Nur. It promised to invest more in research and promote sci-tech innovation and achievement transformation. Together with the production line, railway transport projects, power plants and water supply projects have been built in Lop Nur, which is transforming into a sea of fortune.